In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create citations with Grammarly. 5 minutes. We'll go from opening Grammarly to drafting a quick summary with its AI, and then generating a properly formatted citation from the source URL, all in one smooth workflow. Start by heading to Grammarly's website in your browser. On the landing page, choose the option to sign in. You can click I have an account or use the login button. Both take you to the same place. Enter your email address to continue and proceed through the sign-in flow. If you use single sign-on or a connected provider, that works too. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the Grammarly app dashboard. Create a new document so we have a clean space to work. Now switch over to a reliable article online that you want to reference. Keep that page open, you'll need it shortly. A quick tip here, choose reputable sources and double check dates and authors since accurate metadata makes citations cleaner and more trustworthy. Back in the Grammarly document, click Write with Generative AI. In the prompt, ask Grammarly to summarize the article. You can say something like, summarize the key points of this article in a few sentences. Let the AI produce the summary, review it for accuracy, and when it looks good, click Insert to drop that text into your document. Remember, summaries should capture ideas without copying language. Always review for factual fidelity and tone. Now return to the article tab and copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Head back to Grammarly and open the generative AI prompt again. Ask Grammarly to create a citation from the URL and specify your preferred style, APA, MLA, or Chicago. For example, create an APA citation for this web page, then paste the URL. Grammarly will pull available details like the page title, site name, author, and date. If something is missing, that's normal for some websites. You can add or edit fields manually after insertion. Once the citation looks right, click Insert to place it into your document. Give it a quick proof. Confirm the author name, publication date, page title, capitalization rules for your style, and include a retrieval date if your style requires one for web sources. If your institution has specific formatting rules, like hanging indents or particular punctuation, apply those in your editor. That's it. You've signed in, drafted a concise summary, and generated a citation from the source URL using Grammarly's AI. Save your document and you're ready to use your content with proper attribution.